Subscribe to this channel.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you from scratch on how you can create a playlist for YouTube videos. Alright, but first guys, I'm really sorry because there are a lot of noise on the background, so I'm really in a bad neighborhood. Alright, so before we spend time, let's jump straight away to the video. You just need to tap on your YouTube channel, then tap on your profile icon and also go to your channel. Alright, then when you open your videos, all you can do guys is to, as you see guys, those three dot that you see on your videos guys, you just need to tap on those dots, okay? And also tap on guys save to playlist, okay, on the plus icon. You just need to tap on that, and also guys tap on the this one guys, new playlist, and also yeah, edit the title of your playlist. All right, so on this case I'll just like say tech videos. This is the first playlist that I want to create. I just add it on public so that everyone can see it. Okay, create. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna add all my tech videos. I'm just gonna add all my tech videos on that playlist. Okay, so as you see, this one save to playlist, then tech videos. I just need to tap that, then done. All right, so this is the first video that I have added to my tech videos playlist. Okay, it's super easy to do that. All you need to do, you just need to tap on, as you see guys, presently there's only one playlist that I have, which is tech videos. All right, so I need to add all my tech videos on that playlist. I need to tap on the three dot, then go to save, then tap on save to playlist. All right, then tap on tech videos, then done. I need to do this for all my tech videos. All right, yeah. Also need to tap on save to playlist guys. All right, tech videos done. I need to do this for all my videos that are on tech videos. All right, so tech videos done. Also I'm just searching for all my tech videos, then add them onto tech videos playlist. All right, it's super easy to do that guys. Okay, so save to playlist, yeah, tech videos done. I want to create a new playlist, which is 𝐓𝐸 videos. All right, because you know, as you all know, my channel is about tech videos and also 𝐓𝐸 updates sometimes. All right, so in this case again, I'm just gonna add all my 𝐓𝐸 videos on the 𝐓𝐸 videos, okay, on the 𝐓𝐸 playlist. Sorry guys. All right, so this is what, then I have added one 𝐓𝐸 video into my 𝐓𝐸 playlist. Okay, so let me search this one again, no more requirement. I'm gonna add it onto my 𝐓𝐸 videos playlist. Okay, I'm gonna do this again for all my 𝐓𝐸 videos that I have uploaded into my YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, tech videos. Now guys, I have two playlists. Okay, tech videos and 𝐓𝐸 videos guys. So any video that is for tech, any video that is tech, that is about tech stuff guys, I'm gonna add it to my tech videos playlist. Okay, so any video again that is about 𝐓𝐸 video, I'm gonna add it there again. Okay, so I have also another video, so I'm gonna create a playlist guys for another videos. Okay, that is like, I have some videos that are not about tech videos, that is not also about 𝐓𝐸 videos. Okay, so I just created a special playlist for that is called other videos. Okay, so now I have three playlists, which is other videos, tech videos, 𝐓𝐸 videos. All right, so share to playlist any videos that is not about tech videos, that is not about 𝐓𝐸 videos, I'm gonna add them to other videos. All right, so guys, this is super easy guys. Okay, save to playlist, other videos, I'm gonna add them there. If I see a video that is about tech videos, I'm gonna also add them there. Okay, so I have only created three playlists for this tutorial guys. Okay, save to playlist, then tech videos. Okay, if I see a video that is about 𝐓𝐸 video, I'm also gonna add it there. If I see a video that is also it's about other videos, I'm gonna add them into my other videos playlist. All right, So that is it, guys. Also, there is a magic on this one, guys. After doing all this, guys, if you want, you can also share any of your playlist to any of your friends on FB, on IG. You can, example, let's see, guys, I can also rename any of my playlist, okay, like this tech videos. I just want to capitalize it. All right, yeah, that is it. After editing any of your playlist, guys, if you want, you can also send that this one, the link of the playlist, you can also send it to any of your friends in WhatsApp. Just see, guys, okay. So for example, now I have like other videos, developer videos, tech videos, okay. If I want, I can copy the link. If I want, I can straight away share the link of my playlist to any of my friends. Just see, guys, okay. Let me just try something else here, okay. Now here, yeah, this is link of one of my playlists, okay. So you can also do this, guys. This video is super easy, guys. All right, so if this is your first time, guys, to come across my channel, please, you know exactly what to do. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my new videos.